could ever die.
Why?
Because he's the one who made it. Yes.
Bakit?
Kasi siya ang gumawa naman.
Why?
Because...
2, 3. Mama Tess, do you believe in God?
Yes, 100%. 101%.
Why? Okay.
I'm Teacher SP and I would like to welcome all of you for coming over this afternoon. I would like to thank all our teachers, our staff, our parents, and our students for making this occasion possible. And also would like to welcome you with our initial presentation of Talentadong HIC 2014. Yes, you heard me right. This is our initial presentation because a major event will be coming on December 2014. Every celebration that we are doing is always in line with our faith and with our desire to provide a strong foundation on our children's character, education, and personality development. And God gave us the vision to aim high and dream big. And we are believing on our solid faith that nothing is impossible with God.
Isa pa. 2, 3.